Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Driveway Engineer. It's a beautiful day. The junkyard is busy as hell out here. I just want to point out that I found literally everything I need for the Dodge in the same row. The same row. It's remarkable. The PCM came out of this S10 right here. I got an intake already pulled off that one. There's an intake already pulled here. That gives me my decapped injectors and my throttle body. So yeah, I wanted to film this. I had to, for some reason they're pulling these and leaving them sitting here. So I had to cut the steam port line. They cut the other one. I don't know why they didn't cut them both, but somebody's going through and pulling intakes and leaving them for some reason. But I'm gonna set this over in the back of my van and go get a cart. I'm kind of busy today. I wish I could make a longer video. There's an L59 right there. There's two LQ4s out here besides the one I had pulled for me yesterday. There's one right there. I'm gonna go get a cart. I'll be right back. I'm in a hurry walking to get a cart. I didn't mean to grab this much stuff, but it's all just laying here. It's like Treasure Island. I love this place. The US Auto, Sterling Heights. The engine for the Dodge came from here. As a matter of fact, everything else for the Dodge is coming from here apparently. They have some other cool stuff I'd like to show you guys, but I'm kind of in a rush because I'm on my lunch hour. Had to take a call on my lunch hour. It was a big pain in the butt, but I have a lot of cool classics. I think you guys saw most of these last time. This wasn't here. I hadn't remembered it. Elvira's car wasn't here. Count Chocula, whoever. I already checked the core return. There's no LS engines in it. Make sure to check that first. Somebody took that Gen 4 in spite of being a crispy critter. Oh yeah, this Fox body looks pretty cool. It's a 5-liter. Got cool wheels on it. Obviously been repainted. The 4eyes have really grown on me. I'm gonna get this cart, get back there, get my crap, and we'll film a little more. Got a Dana 50 or 60 right there. There's an Excursion with a 50 or 60 front. I think all the gassers got 50s. I don't remember. There's just treasures out here, man. I don't know how you... I always get these comments, oh, there's nothing like that by me. Well, guess what? I have subscribers in Texas. I have subscribers in Georgia. They find this stuff too. It's hot as balls out here. So, I'm sure that's not super pleasant. But you gotta put in the work. You know what I do? 4.3 probably, V8. Somebody's putting in work. Why not you? There was a bunch of Hemis out here last time I was out here too. So here's another bit of treasure. For the folks who can't find one, here's one. I might come back and get this one. I don't really want it. I'm so lazy, but you guys make it hard to be lazy. So there's the one that I paid somebody $100 to cut out for me yesterday and sold before I even got back to my office. Here's another one. I kind of want the PCM out of this. I think it's gone. I don't know where they put the... Oh, it's over there. That's a pain. Yeah. 6.0, 04. So it's probably Gen 4 rods even. We got another one down here. I'm just going to take a quick walk. I'm late as fuck. I gotta be... I don't know what that is. Another... What is that? A 4.3? I don't know. It's another LS sitting back there. Drive-by cable. That's probably another 6-liter. They only came in 4.8. These Express vans only came in 4.8. And let's see if we can see if I can see on the camera. You guys might get seasick. I'm gonna stick you down the block real quick. I don't know. It's probably a 6-liter. It might be a 4.8. I wouldn't even care. That's the other thing. Like I I wouldn't even care. I wouldn't let that stop me. I'm sorry to rush this video, guys, but it's hot and I gotta go, and I got all these treasures and I gotta quit buying shit. My wife's gonna freak out. You guys have seen, like, shit, 2 rows of US Auto here, and you know, the other day when I was out here in the rain, and it's just a win for everybody. Like, my goodness, look at that, look at that. 5.3. I think the civilian vans could get 5.3s. 5.3. I got 2 flex injector intakes sitting in my, this is a black cap, so it's not E. Okay, I got 2 flex injector intakes sitting in my cart over there. This is another LM7. The GMCs seem to tend to be more likely to have L33s if you care about that. I think that's when I get these comments, though, old 256, when I get the comments that people can't find anything near them, it's almost always then they say, yeah, you know, 6.0s get taken before they hit the yard. Well, no, they don't. You're just lazy. And, you know, don't be so fixated on getting a 6.0. The Virgil, the Dodge, totally a 5.3, and I'm totally okay with that. I'm going to get all this treasure. I'm going to get out of here. I'm sorry this one's a little short, guys. I have cut a lot of videos for you, though, recently. So look forward to them, especially about the PCM process and how we can hack it and do different things. So like and subscribe if you're interested in doing a bunch of stuff with garbage off the ground from the junkyard. We're going to make 600 horsepower with this mess right here. Just wait and see. So thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your enemies. We'll see you next time on The Driveway Engineer.